Somalia, Sudan, and the Democratic Republic of Congo remain the biggest producers of refugees on the African continent, and Kenya is one of the largest refugee host countries. UNHCR's 2011 Global Trends indicate that in all, 4.3 million people were newly displaced last year, with 800,000 of these becoming refugees.
We now have approximately 600,000 refugees in Kenya. Most of them are hosted in Dadaab.
Many refugees worldwide are living in foreign lands without hope of reconnecting with their loved one someday. In a bid to help alleviate this challenge, Safaricom, in conjunction with Ericsson and the Refugee Consortium of Kenya, have come up with an online tracing tool dubbed Refugees United to help refugees reconnect with their long-lost family members. The question most viewers will ask is, how does it work?
90% of the respondents had phones.
The information is collected through the partnerships that we have with the Refugee Consortium of Kenya, with the Kenya Red Cross, with the UNHCR and so on, is fed into our data backend, and from there spread out to the various partners across the world, but certainly also to refugees themselves.
If I'm looking for, let's say, Jane Peter, I will go to the tool and look for Jane Peter, and maybe I'll get 10,000 Jane Peter. Then I narrow down and say Jane Peter from Juba. And then after that I put in, it asks what was something in your, the nickname or the name of the dog or the name of the cat or the name of your grandmother, So once you put that, then it narrows down.
Christopher Mickelson, founder of Refugees United, explains how he has used technology to achieve results.
We started off as a web-only service back in 2008, but quickly realized that if we wanted to grow to scale, if we wanted to reach people in the furthest reaches of where we could go, we needed mobile phones.
Refugees United is available on the Safaricom network. Therefore, for our 19 million subscribers, they are able to trace and find loved ones or be found by others that may have been separated from them. Safaricom has acted as a technology enabler. Without us being positioned and providing our technology platform, the refugees wouldn't have been able to make those links.
One case is that of 30-year-old Jonathan Patrique, who was displaced and separated from his family 15 years ago in South Kivu during the 1998 civil war in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Using Refugees United tools, Patrique was reconnected with his younger brother this year.
Nimejisajili, kaingia ndani website. Nimekuta huyo brother wangu ambaye si wote walikuwa ndani, lakini mmoja ndio nimekuta ndani. Nimefurahi sana.
Refugees United has registered 135,000 refugees, and out of these, over 50 families have connected with their loved ones in different parts of the world. Innovative technology continues to transform lives across the globe. And as the world marks World Refugee Day 2012 under the theme, "One refugee without hope is too many," technology has come up now to transform lives, connecting separated families with their loved ones using a mobile phone and the internet, just like Refugees United is doing. For KTN, I'm Joy Doreen Bira.